Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the smooth freeze frame video transition on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video here and I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter. Then I'm going to add in, let's say, this one. And we're going to basically like freeze frame it, okay, here, and then we're going to place it on top, and we're going to put this at about like 1 second. We don't need it to be super long. On this one, go to remove background and select auto removal. Then you're also going to select an animation that you think will suit the video the best. Maybe slide right. And then you can go to transitions here and search for shutter. Then you're going to select it and you're going to place it there. And that is it. You can do it for all of your video transitions, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!